A truck driver was left dangling precariously over a cliff after a bridge collapsed in Guizhou, China. The cargo truck's cabin was left hanging over the bridge while the individual inside waited patiently to be rescued. The fire department launched a search and rescue operation on the Hoji River Bridge after the structure collapsed on Tuesday, June 24th, following continuous heavy rain that triggered a landslide. Rescuers successfully retrieved the driver, and authorities confirmed that there were no casualties at the scene. An investigation into the cause of the collapse is currently underway.